Are you ready?
Our second.
Dollywood Splash Country.
I'm excited. I've never been here before.
Neither have I.
And we had a lot of questions. We even invited questions in different Dollywood Facebook groups. So we're going to answer those and explore this park. It's going to be a lot of fun. I can't wait.
Let's go on this adventure, huh?
So let's get ready to get wet and go on this Dollywood Splash Country adventure that rocks. A fun water park completely separate from Dollywood. Sandy, we got a lot to explore.
Wow, there are a lot of slides out here.
Just look at that tangle behind me. We can't wait to tackle them.
Let's go. Here he goes. Oh my God. Yep, he definitely is. Check out this kids area. Isn't this cool?
I love the unique theming of this Bear Mountain Fire Tower.
Next up, Tailspin Racer. All right, this is Tailspin Racer. Wow, it's a beauty, huh? That is a long way up, but there he goes. Oh my God, here he goes. Oh yeah! I think he just won that one. I think the Cascades, which is like tucked in the back, we almost didn't come back here. I think this is my favorite place. Look, it's like an old-fashioned fishing bowl. It's so fun.
This is an 8,000-foot lagoon-style pool. They even have 20-foot water spray geysers out here. They have plenty of seating options from laying out in the sun
to play areas and the kid and all of us. I love how they keep them very heavily wooded theme in this area.
River Rush.
Is it a water coaster?
Is it a water slide?
Let us know. We haven't been on it yet, obviously. We might let you know later on.
Yep, we're definitely getting on this.
I thought I saw a lift hill.
They even have maps located all around the park.
And these maps even have warnings that all the sidewalks may be hot.
I don't know if you can see behind me, but check out the size of Big Bear Plunge. It's a high thrill raft ride that at the end will drop you in a 3-foot splash pool.
I think every park needs to have butterfly canopies. Look at these, they're so colorful and beautiful.
Yeah, this children's area is loaded with them. Check this out. The lazy river is definitely a popular option out here, and I love the very simple instructions on that sign.
All right, let's follow Rock down the lazy river. Woohoo! Okay, he's doing the belly. Everybody's doing the belly. Oh, he's cutting people off. Rock went on the lazy river without. He's somewhere back there amidst the waterfalls. What a great day here in Splash Country.
Check out the fun of that lazy river behind us.
And you were in a race this morning, right there on that river.
I sure was, and we're gonna put a link to that video down below for you guys. I know what you're thinking. Did I win?
And you're just gonna have to watch the video to find out.
Hungry?
Well, Splash Country has plenty of food options. Dogs and Taters has, of course, foot-long hot dogs, Frito pie, chili cheese fries.
You can even get cheese curds and banana pudding.
The watering hole right behind us is where you can get some nachos.
And your tacos for Taco Tuesday.
Oh yeah, let's go on Tuesday.
Got a question. Is there a food dining pass option?
There is, but it is only linked to a season pass. You have to have a season pass and you have to pay extra for it.
Okay.
We've been receiving a lot of questions about the dining pass.
So we asked around. Apparently, if you have a season pass, you can get one right here where it says tickets. It's only $40, get you a meal and a snack, and it's good for the whole season while you're out here at Dollywood Splash Country. That's a great deal.
That is a really good deal. So check this out. Here's a possible gourmet picnic option. It feeds a family of 4 for $54.99. And actually, I'm really loving this bag that you get with it. But it might be a really good option to take in consideration. Have a picnic by the pool.
I know what you're thinking. $54.99 might not seem like a good deal, but when a sandwich is $10.99, add that up times 4, it's actually a really good deal for a picnic out here. They even have a butterfly wrap. While you're out here, maybe you want to relax in a little bit more secluded area just to yourselves.
And if you have a gold pass, you can even get a discount at the retreats here.
Let's go check out some of the options.
Let's do it.
From relaxing in the shade,
You can even get a water chair. So a deluxe retreat is $300. A regular retreat is $190. Canopies are $55. Loungers $40.
from simple cabana chairs to look at the size of the ones behind us, this one even has a TV in there, so you can really kick back and relax.
Yeah, I think so far Lazy Day might be my favorite. Primarily because look at this, it's almost like you have your own little entrance right into this little swimming hole. The Cascades, I love it.
Just to give you another look inside the cabanas, I love how they even have like the flower arrangements in there.
So you'll see on the map that there is a calming area. For those with sensory needs, we're looking for the cooling spot. Actually, it's called the calming spot. And it's right behind here, but it looks like it's currently closed off. But definitely those of you with children or have sensory needs and just need to get away from it all if it's really crowded, this is the area where you could go.
This quiet area is such a highlight for Dollywood Splash Country, and we wish we had time to explore it. But our good friends just out and about did, and we're gonna put that link to know more about it in the description down below. They do have lockers to rent at $10 for an all-day rental.
I love all the selection of the cover-ups that you can get out here.
Yeah, they've got a good variety of these.
Look at this one. Isn't that beautiful? I love that color. They're one size, and they're only $19.99.
That's a good price for out here.
Isn't that a great price?
Sandy, get closer. Not only does it say Rockin, but it also says adventure.
Oh, look at that. Love it. Rockin'. What a great day.
There's a lot more to do out here at Dollywood Splash Country than I thought there was.
Oh, yeah. I don't think I've ever been to a water park that had so many slides.
Yeah, and that lagoon pool, that's so relaxing.
Yeah, and I love all the little retreats. There's so many of them around in all different sizes. It's next time I think we need to get one.
And all the food options.
Yeah, there's so many.
We just want to thank Dollywood. Thank you, Amber Davis, definitely for having us out. If you haven't hit that like and subscribe,
what are you waiting for?
Because you never know where we're going to end up next. As we always say, make each and every day, including those where you can dream more, be more, and adventure that rocks.